Good morning, everyone. It's bright right early on a Sunday morning. And Honda Indy is going to be taking place in Markham in about a month. So the track is actually very nearby where I live. So let's go take a ride today to check out the track, shall we? Okay, and my mic setup is going to be a bit different this time also. Usually I just stick a DJI at the back of the trunk of any cars. And because of this strong magnet, usually you can actually stick on any trunk. But with the GT-R, it's not metal, so I cannot stick to it. So I got myself, here with this, a Rode high SPL mic to be attached to the DJI Mic 2 here. So that I think this might be one of the first times I am capturing the true sound of my R35 GT-R. And this is the setup we'll be driving out to check out the track. It's actually a public road, so I'm not going to be driving fast. The whole point is actually to check out the track ahead of race day. Let's go. So the district that we're approaching is called Downtown Markham. This is a surrounding of Downtown Markham here. Of course, there's a Honda dealership right at the corner, so we are actually on the racing ground of the Honda Indy in Markham already. All right, let's get in. This part is part of the track, beautifully paved by the city of Markham. Right in front of us is a GO train station. So this is where the pit is gonna be. Oh, still gotta obey all the signs. Okay, so officially, this is the beginning of the track. I think you actually drive in there, but I'm not gonna get in there right now. So officially, we're on the Honda Indy track in Markham. So let me take you guys around while obeying traffic. So I have to stop at the stop signs, but the race car wouldn't. I think they're actually coming through there on the left. Out to here, there's actually a 90-degree left turn. Oh, it's 90 degree right now. But the roads are wide enough here But still, it'll be interesting to see how they actually barricade this turn over here. Alright, advanced screen for me. Okay, and to our right is our York University campus, newly built. And then the drive takes us to this straight over here. So normally you would actually go on for the race, it'll be on the left lane, but for traffic, for driving right now, I have to go on the right lane. So it's not really a straight. You actually curve a bit to the right. You go under this bridge. I think this is where everyone has. I don't know, it'll be pretty hard to pass here. And then the turnaround point should be right here, which I'm not going to enter. But you turn around here to get back onto the straight. I'm going to turn around up front. That I frequent. Good Catch Bar and Cafe, one of my usual place to go to for drinks and dinner with my family and my friends. So we're not on part of the track right now. I'll let you know when we are. So I don't know, the track doesn't feel that long. So that's the turnaround point. Okay, it's actually longer or bigger than I thought it would be. So you turn around, you actually drive on the left side for the Indy driver. Slight left. Got new condo builds on the left, York University on the right. And then I guess this would be considered a straight right here. Well, it's not that straight. But these are high-speed turns, very high-speed turns. To our right is the Pan Am Centre, where they held the Pan Am Games here in the city of Markham. Okay, we're approaching the stretch where we actually go on the main street. Right at the Honda dealership. So this one's interesting because this is actually one of our main roads here that the race will get onto. So I'm sure they have to shave off all the center islands and the lights and stuff for this. Here you get a little bit of a straight. Then you turn in. So there are a lot of dealerships around this area. Once again, you can see Pan Am Centre in front of us, and then we'll turn in here. So these are high-speed turns. I'm sure there will be a lot of passes right here before you get back to the pit area, and a spectator area, which would be up in the front, where the GO train station is. And that's one lap. there we have it. The Honda Indy in Markham.